Hello everyone and welcome to Wilson and Family Kitchen. Today we are making almond cream paste stuffing for a almond cake but instead of cake we're using puff pastry. And set this to 425. So first we're gonna put the cup of almonds in. Then we're actually gonna put this on for a minute, just so it's fine. So at least what the instructions said. It kind of looks like a sandstorm. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of powdered sugar. Next, we add a tablespoon, well, a bit more than a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. I'll say about two tablespoons, I guess. So it's a bit extra. So, and 1 egg. Okay, so I'm back with my salt, and we only need a pinch of whatever salt you want. And today we're using the bar for a bit of a change. And fire in a hole. Now it looks like someone blew off a humongous fire and put a bunch of wood and threw up a bunch of like 1,000 wood chips and put them in a sandstorm. There we go.
Let's see.
Ooh, that's nice. It tastes like cake paste. I'm gonna take some frozen puff pastry, at least a sheet, and put them between 2 pieces, I believe, of rice paper. And so now we have our puff pastry. Now we flap these over and roll it out. And so now we're gonna take the puff pastry. Well, we have a square, so we're gonna put it on. And so now we're gonna add the cream, and remember, put some parchment paper on. We forgot. So yeah, make sure to leave at least a bit of room around the edge. And so now we're gonna pinch it on the sides so it doesn't ooze out while baking. And maybe also roll it over a bit. Oh dang it, that actually looks nice. It looks a bit like pasta, ravioli, something. So now we're gonna put our finger in and make like a hole. I'm gonna use a knife and like cut. But don't cut all the way. Just cut like almost all the whole way. This kind of reminds me of the Japanese Empire flag. Honestly. If you kind of look at it in a sort of way. So we made a bit of a mistake. We're actually supposed to egg wash and powder it with sugar. We're gonna do it right now. Here we go. Let's get brushing. Yay. So now we must powder with sugar. Now we're going to put it in the oven that is done preheating to 425. lunch yet. We wait like 15-20 minutes. Hello everyone, and we're at a different spot, but we're gonna try it. It's a bit crunchy. I can tell you that it's good. So the flavors, bit creamy, bit sugary, all perfect. And thank you for watching here on Wilson and the Family Kitchen. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Go ahead. Go to the dog.
Na 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 na